So basically this project is mostly concerned about the DevOps technology, which in where we will normally use the container technology. So as a startup companies has the limited budgets, and this process is very expensive and the time taking for them. So companies require the technology for scaling their product. So normally they go for the container technology to scale their products. So in this product, we what are the features we have given? We just given the configure Docker and control Docker, the Docker file editor, and the serverless part. So in the configure Docker, what we did, we just use the Ansible tool, which will you just need to provide us the access key and secret key, and access key and secret key through which we can able to go inside our AWS account, and through which by the help of Ansible we are able to configure your complete Docker and the set up the APIs part, so that you can able to manage all those things from here. Now and each and every architecture we have already mentioned in our this repo, which we will provide at the in the description also. So this is the product architecture, as you can see, like when the user is coming and that front end skin is there, and this is the backend part. Okay, and this is the Ansible architecture, this is the Docker API architecture. Yeah, so let's move ahead, and this is our if you try to start, then here our login is income and the sign up form. At the sign up time only we able to take the access key and secret key, and the access key and secret key will be as an IAM user. When you will try to create the IAM user, it is a dependency of our projects which we will require so far. So when you give the access key and secret key, that normally secret key and access key is stored in the MongoDB database in the encrypted format. Now and with the that server key, the public key, which we need to configure the Docker. Now let's say we have already created the admin, so that we can it will not take so much time. So here the username and email ID and this password is already there. I have saved it. Now what I did, so here you can see the three options, which is the configure Docker and control Docker, and the serverless part. Serverless part mainly made for those people who don't have the server, and he need to deploy their project, so he can able to use from here, and we will provide the server, and under the server he can able to deploy their project in form of container only. Okay, now this is the part of the configure Docker. So configure Docker, normally we will take tag. So by the help of tag, we able to find out the machines. Through machine we will capture through that help of that tag. The Ansible will use the dynamic inventory, and through which it will try to capture that IP, and after that capturing that IP, then he able to configure your complete Docker cluster, Docker container. Now let's go to the control Docker. So this is our the main property, like by how you can able to control your system, control your Docker container by the help of our platform only. So first you need to mention the public IP. You need to give the public IP 311. Let's say I already have one server which is running on it, and the container is also configured on it. Okay, so this is the 57, and then .219. Let's go to the inside the server, and here are the many services. As you know, the Docker container has the image service, and the container services, volume services, image builder, and network services. So let's take one example of the image service, and here I want to do, I want to just want to list how many containers I have, how many images I have. So as you can see here, it will directly show that okay, you have this one marketing website contents, and the Nginx contents, and HTTP contents, and CentOS. So this is the thing, and this is our actual product, and this is our complete thing which I have given. And under this branch we have also mentioned that this is it consists the Ansible file and the Docker API file and all those things. So thank you so much. So this is only thank you so much.